Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Washing and anointing are important, and for preparing for ceremonies, as is blessing or cursing afterwards. Focus on completing any tasks before accepting the rest. You don't have to suffer over the intentions had by others. Leave the assemblies where religion is violated. So, a similar blasphemy law to what Islam talks about. But of course, they don't limit it to that in the Vedic system. We are required to speak truth to gatherings about their misdeeds. Divinity is known through what seems to be the activity of ordinary people. Serving parents and spiritual teachers is according to the spiritual covenant. Separation from divinity is an illusion. The devotional ways are to help even those who lack knowledge about it. Love of divinity is meant to alleviate the fear or hope of the mere material. Sense gratification is of the most insignificant ways to serve. Worship should be according to scriptural rules. Those who make a scented offering to divinity will be completely satisfied. Delusion is to consider birth, death, loss, gain, or constraint of divinity as literal, because it is beyond the creation. Any mode or element of the sent ones is in the mode of goodness and truth. To dispel practical and theological atheism, the worldly relationships and connections, and sin regarding are all temporal. They will abandon them except for sinful reaction. That which is outside of the real purpose. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All attractive, the source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.